Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rosy. As you can see, this is our Lineage OS. This is the fan edition. As you can see, LOS fan edition version 11.69. This is this version is different from the Lineage OS 18.1 version. This is the fan edition, fan made edition maybe. Those who are the fan of the Lineage OS, you can try this fan edition also. Here is the device Rosy. Here is the version information and 27 May built. As you can see, Android version 11. This is the latest build available for fan edition also, and 12 plus kernel is installed in this ROM. Build type unofficial. What is this? Let me turn on. Now it is official. Now it is unofficial, as you can see. And let's check all the features of this ROM. Is this ROM better than Lineage OS or not? Hopefully this ROM is not better than Lineage OS. This is just a fan edition. So there may be there are some of the few customization in this ROM. As you can see, Wi-Fi is working, Volt is also working. As you can see, Volt icon is working perfectly, Geo is working, everything is working perfectly fine. Let's check the battery. Here is the battery performance is also good in this ROM board, but not better than Lineage OS. As you can see, there is sudden drop in the battery when I play the game. And the battery light is working, charging light is working, everything is working perfectly fine. Charging light, notification light, and let's have the volume. Here is the sound, it works perfectly fine. Vibration is also working on the navigation bar, on the call also vibration working. And 4.51 GB is free, as there are some of the few applications. 4.4 GB game is installed in this ROM. Asphalt 9 is also installed, so that's why it is showing. But Asphalt 9 is not working, as it does not work. I click on the play button, it comes back to the home screen. So I will not test the Asphalt 9. I will test the Call of Duty and the one horror game with high graphic quality. And let's check here is the display. All the features are literally same like Lineage OS ROM, and there is no always on display in this ROM. Double tap to wake is working perfectly fine. And here are some of the few applications installed. I have tested and to the benchmark, but it is not working. And the Geek benchmark 5 is also not working in this ROM. YouTube, I have installed this YouTube application. It is not pre-built. So if you want to install, you can directly install this ROM. Installation video will be in the description, so you must check the description, and all the downloads link is also in the description. Let's check the fingerprint at the face unlock speed. How fast is the fingerprint and the face unlock? You can easily apply without any problem, and the vibration is also working perfectly fine. As you can see, it works perfectly fine, smooth working without any problem. Now let's check the speed. Tap, open. Speed of the fingerprint is also very good. Not lightning fast, but it is good. For daily usage it is good. So now let's check the face unlock. And if you want to install this ROM for daily usage, and you can surely install this. And for gaming, we will check the gaming, so don't worry. And the face unlock speed is also good. There is no any delay or any opening problem in the face unlock and the fingerprint. It works perfectly fine. A Google account, you can easily log in without any problem. Here are some of the system status bar buttons is also available. You can switch with whichever you want. So basically all the features are same. So now if I talk about the Call of Duty performance in this ROM, Call of Duty is not working in this ROM. It comes back to the home screen with the default kernel. If you want to play the Call of Duty, then you have to change the kernel, but I am not pretty sure about after changing the kernel it will work or not. So you must check on your own basis if you want to install this ROM or not. So here you can see, if I want to play Call of Duty, it comes back to the home screen, and there is lag in the gaming when you play the game. Now I was playing the horror game, that's why I am saying this game is not working. When I click on the Call of Duty login screen, it comes back to the home screen. As you can see, it is stuck on the home screen. Right now you can see it is, my phone screen is fully black. It is not working. This ROM is not great for gaming. So here you can see it comes back to the home screen. It does not work perfectly fine, and Endless Nightmare is also working perfectly. and endless nightwear is not working perfectly. This ROM lacks a lot. Gaming performance is not good in this ROM. For daily purpose you can check it according to your use if you want, but for daily this is good ROM for daily but not for gaming. For gaming you should go with Lineage OS 18.1. That one is great ROM. So you must check that video. I have already made the Lineage OS 18.1 video, so you must check that. Let me show you the safety net. So here you can see safety net is not passed in this ROM, it is failed. Let's check the Play Store whether it is certified or not. Let's go to the settings about Play Store. Device is not certified. As you can see, Play Store is not certified in this ROM. So basically safety net and Google Play Store is not certified. So if you want to use this ROM, I don't recommend this ROM for gaming. For daily usage you can check it according to your use. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe my channel for daily updates.